Hello friends and welcome back to another gardening video. Imagine fresh green onion leaves, that is scallions, at your fingertips without a trip to the grocery store or without having a massive garden plot to grow them. So in just a few simple steps you can easily turn something you'd normally throw away, which is coconut husk, into a vibrant living garden. And in this video, I'll show you the ultimate DIY solution for sustainable living and having delicious homegrown produce no matter how small your space is. So whenever we use coconut, we throw away all the coconut husk in our bins, but from the next time onwards, remember to store all these coconut husks because they are amazing for your gardening needs. For preparing them, all you need to do is just break off the husk a little bit, soak it in water for 2-3 days to allow all the tannins and excess salt to drain off, and then dry them and use them as I'm going to show you how. You can use this method to grow scallions, even garlic leaves and even herbs like coriander and mint in water. After soaking and drying off the coconut husk, I am going to cut them into smaller pieces because for myself I have used a small container to grow my scallions. You can use the full husk if you have a larger container, or if you want to grow them in a huge quantity, then you don't have to cut them short. But because my container is small, I'm just going to cut off the husk a little bit so that it's easier to put inside the container. And once the husk is cut, I'm going to use this old plastic container and I'm going to use some onions. So this big onion had already started sprouting, so I'm going to use this one also. Otherwise you can use the smaller onions. And over here, as you can see, I'm removing off the top parts a little bit so that the plant finds it easier to sprout out properly. So since this had already sprouted, I'm not cutting off the top completely, but I'm just removing off some of the onion peel on the top area, and the smaller onions I'm going to just cut off the top so that they grow out easily. And if there are any extra dry skin, I'm going to just remove them, and I'm going to prepare all the small onions in this manner. And once the onions are done, I'm going to put the husk in the container that I have. Now this is also a container which I'm reusing. I had got some sweets or something in this container, so I'll just put the coconut husk on the lower part. And now this husk has already been soaked and dried off, so there's no chance of any salt contamination or excess tannins. Then I'm going to place the onions root down. Remember, this is really important. The tip should be facing upwards. Many people do the mistake and they just put the onion all tilted, and sometimes the top gets a little bit of water and it starts rotting off. So to avoid that, remember to keep them upright and then pour water till all the root is soaked in water. And make sure you do not cover the whole of the onions with water because that might cause rotting. Then keep it out in a shaded area for a few days till you see the sprouts coming out from the tips of the onion. Now these have started growing, and after that I'm going to show you how the roots are formed. You can see over here the roots are a little bit brownish in color because of the coconut husk. After this, you can keep this under morning light. You can keep it in your windowsill, you can keep it out in your garden, you can keep it inside your house wherever a little bit of sunlight comes. So you have to just keep it under indirect sunlight, or you can keep it under morning sunlight. If you have a small apartment balcony, you can keep it over there also. And in this manner you will see that they will grow up really well and you will get your scallions within a few days time. So you can see how nicely they have grown. As far as the water is concerned, remember to remove the water once at least every 7 days. Just remove the water completely, and then all you need to do is pour in a little bit of fresh water. So in this manner your scallions will not have any kind of rotting or anything if you keep on changing the water. And you can see how nicely the roots have grown out, and there's no chemical, nothing has been given initially. It's simply the coconut husk and water and the onions, and they are growing so well. Now I have grown them in a small container because I do not need too much, and you can harvest them whenever you want. I did harvest a few of the leaves some days ago, but today I am going to harvest them completely. So in this manner you can grow them in larger containers if you have a bigger family. Scallions are really good for health. They are nutrient dense, they are low in calorie, and they have a high level of vitamin A, C, K and sulfur compounds. They help boost immunity, they enhance the bone health, they have antioxidant properties, and they are good for heart health and in blood pressure regulation. They are also good for vision, etc. So you should definitely include these scallions in your daily meals, and this is one of the best way you can get an unlimited supply of scallions in your home. So using this method, we are reducing waste, we are saving money and enjoying pesticide free fresh scallions every day. So if you feel that after harvesting a couple of times your scallions are not doing great, then I'm going to give you a tip. You can use liquid seaweed fertilizer and use that along with the water, and that will help grow the scallions fresh and green again, because actually coconut husk does not have too much of nutrient properties. So this can be done for a regular supply if needed. So if you have watched the video till now, then do let me know if there are any other ways you have used coconut husks. And this is all I have for you in this video. Thanks for watching.